When your dogs understand the assignment,
Why are there so many garbage on the floor? Go pick up the trash and put them in the trash can. Yes, put them in the trash can. No, not my slippers. Hey, not my slippers. Put it by the door. There's still some garbage on the floor. Good job. There's still the other slipper. Yes, put it by the door too. Now go inside, get a bag. Chanel, Chanel. Are you still playing with your doggy skateboard? If you are not, then bring it inside. Do you hear me? Chanel, go push the skateboard in. Hey, you want chicken leg? Go push the skateboard in. Then I will buy you chicken leg. Do you want chicken leg? If you do, bring the skateboard in. Good job.